Hey, Dana here. And a welcome around the house. And you saw that video I put up the other day about the snakes down there in the barn. Well, we're up here around my garage, and they're hanging out in my metal pile. There's a pretty long one. She's probably about 3 feet. Not bad. And we got a pair hiding over there. They're about 2.5, so these guys are about the normal length. These are just grass garter snakes. And of course they love the mice and rodents that are out in the field. What's that, Pooh? Is that a snake? Huh? Is that a snake? Very, very common around here. You're not gonna have, very seldom we're gonna have anything poisonous running around here. About 25 miles from here, there was a rattlesnake that they found in the yard. So I don't know whether they're migrating or what, but you could actually catch one and make a pet out of it if you wanted. It would just love. Yep, they don't. He sees Pooh, but I'm not sure what he's doing. Might be curling up. He's watching Pooh. Close as I can get. He'll just be hanging out here. Got the other one. Another one that's just hanging out in there. Pooh, come here. Come over here. Pooh, come on. Doesn't appear to be threatened. Just hanging out in the sun. I walked away for a little while and I came back. Yeah. It's all curled up. And then this one here, all curled up. There's another one right next to him. Don't see any more, but there's definitely 2 in there and one right there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Keep you up to date on the snakes and the butterflies around the house.